Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So on the HBAR chart, we're still in the same pattern. We're dealing with a sideways correction here. Remember that we talked about the possibility of this blue wave count and a pullback of an extended wave 4, right? After the price sort of failed to break out substantially yesterday. Here an A wave down, a B wave up, or actually blue A wave ended here on the 4th of December. B wave up and the C wave down in 5 waves. I think I mentioned in the previous video, if the C wave down is unfolding, it doesn't look impulsive. So it could indeed be a diagonal pattern. And we are likely now in the 3rd wave, then could get another 4 and a 5 to complete this. There's still plenty of space in the support region. Obviously, alternatively, the wave 4 might have bottomed already on Friday, but I highlighted to you in the previous video, and you know that if you watched it, that as long as we stay below this micro resistance area, which is located there between 34 cents and 36.4 cents, I'm going to watch for a wider wave 4 and the C wave to the downside, because it would require this as a signal that we're actually continuing the pathway higher, just because it just has this ABC look, right? It just looks like a B wave top there yesterday. I said it straight away when I saw it. It might just be a B wave top because we topped exactly at that breakout point and just below the fib level, and it just looks like 3 waves down and then 3 waves up, and now we could be moving down gradually in a 5-wave move, possibly testing here that 26 cent level, which is anyway an ideal target for a 4th wave. It's the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, typically a very common target. Now I cannot rule out that the 4th wave is bottomed already, but then again I would need to see a break above the trend line, not the trend line, a break above the resistance area to confirm, and any pullback into the support region, specifically if we can recognize the micro structure within wave C there in blue. Well, it could be another opportunity, right, for those who might have missed this rally and who want to get positioned for one more high. Now, overall, looking at the overall context, I mean, the idea is that this larger 3rd wave is unfolding. And within this larger 3rd wave, we should see, not will, but should see one more high, which could test 40, or which could lead to a test of the 47 cent level. There are a couple of Fibonacci levels that are meeting there. A smaller degree one and a larger degree one, or even above. We've got that 64.5 cent level, the 123.6 extension also here. There are a couple of levels that meet. So I think overall the approach is to wait for the price to form a low, give us a first indication that an upside impulse is unfolding. I would say at this stage, an early signal that the move to the upside is starting would be a break above that last swing high at 33.6 cents. But please note that microstructures are very, very fragile. For now, I can tell you it doesn't look impulsive to the downside, but we could be moving down, in this diagonal pattern. So not much more to say. Key support level here is 23 cents. Below that level, I will have to assume that the larger 4th wave already started and the larger 3rd topped actually on Tuesday the 3rd. But that's not expected at the moment. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.